10 easy and effective asanas to reduce blood pressure for beginners.
To begin, come to standing in Tadasana. Start raising your right hand up towards the ceiling, breathing in. Once your arm comes to about 90 degrees or shoulder level, turn the palm towards the ceiling, reach up, stretch so that you feel a nice stretch along the right side of your body, arms come close to your ears, and then as you breathe out, drop to the other side. And your left hand is in line with your left leg. Take a deep breath in, feel a nice expansion on the right side of your rib cage, and as you breathe out, try and bend further, trying to bring your left fingers towards the mat. Now as you breathe in, bring your hands up, reach up to stretch, and then exhale as you bring your hands down, turn your palm towards the mat and come down. Now bring your right leg towards the right side of the room, Trikonasana, triangle pose. The right heel bisects the arch of your left foot, toes pointing straight ahead. Shift your pelvis towards the left side, arms in line with your shoulders, and now slowly come down. Inhale, bring both your hands forward. Right hand behind your waist, left over your right shoulder. Inhale and exhale as you twist, look over your right shoulder. Stay here, breathing in and breathing out. One more. Inhale, come forward. To begin, come to standing with your feet hip-width apart, engaging your abdomen, your lower back, your hips. Roll your shoulders towards your ears, slowly drop it down. Bring your gaze to a point, a stationary point, either on the floor or on the wall. Shift our weight onto our left foot. Raise the right heel off the mat. Turn the knee towards the right side. This is comfortable. Then bring your right toes to rest on your left foot. If you can do this, then progress to placing your foot on the inside of your leg. See that it's not at your knee joint. Grab hold of your ankle. Place your foot on the inside. Hands continue to stay in Namaskara Mudra. Now bend your right knee. Right foot on the outside of your left. Now turn and twist. So with my left hand, I'm just grabbing my right knee, turning and twisting. Option 1. So if you feel this is comfortable, then you can always hook your elbow on the outside, trying to bring both your shoulders to point in the direction towards the right side of the room. Breathe in, nice twist in your waist. We're going to begin with keeping our knees wide, big toes to touch. Reach our hands forward. Here you can stack your fist one over the other. Rest your forehead. Breathe in completely, breathe out. Or you can stack your forearms one over the other, rest your forehead. And when you think you can go deeper, you can stack your palms one over the other, rest your forehead. Once you're here and you know you can bring your forehead towards the earth, you can bend at your elbows, elbows in line with your shoulders, forehead on the mat. Take a deep breath in, completely breathe out. Now from here, once you're able to do this comfortably, you can bring the thighs together. Bring your belly on thigh, forehead on the mat. Arms come to rest next to you, palms next to your feet. Palms are facing the ceiling. Rest your forehead, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, completely breathe out. Come on to rest on your belly, bringing your palms beneath your shoulders, elbows close to your body, legs as close as you can keep. As you breathe in, come up to Bhujangasana, pushing your chest forward. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Bend both your knees, hug your knees towards your chest. Breathe in, completely breathe out. Option 2, rest your hips on your palms. You can always, take the support of the wall, or you can place a chair and rest your legs along the back of your chair. Stay here. Point your toes away from you, towards you. Legs nice and wide. Stack your palms one over the other. Rest your forehead. Breathe in, breathe out. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you found this class valuable, please like and share. Namaste. I'll see you soon with another video.